हेलो स्टूडेंट। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं हमारी बीएससी फिफ्थ सेम की बॉटनी, जिसका टॉपिक है यूनिट 1 प्लांट वाटर एंड रिलेशन मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर लर्न अबाउट द दे हैव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस इन गिव एन ओवरव्यू अबाउट द प्लांट वाटर रिलेशनशिप with each other. So the answer of this question is knowledge of plant water relation is important because water is essential for both plants and animals. Both plants and animals. It serves as a medium for a dissolution of the substances. A huge amount of water is taken up daily by plant and considerable among it is lost in transpiration. The water requirement of different categories of plants is different. Water potential. Water molecules possesses a certain amount of kinetic energy. The greater the concentration of water in a system, the greater its kinetic energy. Energy of water potential. If two systems containing water are in contact, movement of water molecules acquire from the system with higher energy to the system with lower energy. Water potential is expressed in pascals. The water potential is expressed in pascals. The unit of expression of this water potential is pascal. The water potential of pure water as a standard temperature is 0. At a standard temperature, water potential of pure water is 0. If a certain amount of solute is added to the pure water, the concentration of water decreases. When we will learn about if a certain amount of solute is added to a pure water, the concentration of water decreases and thus the water potential is also decreases. The amount by which the water potential decreases is called solute potential. When the water potential amount decreases is called solute potential. This is always negative and the value of solute potential decreases with an increase in the amount of the dissolved solute to the region of its lower concentration till equilibrium is reached. In this again there are two processes, endosmosis and exosmosis. Endosmosis is a process in which inward diffusion of water through a semi-permeable membrane occurs when the surrounding solution is less concentrated, while exosmosis is a process in which the outward diffusion of water through a semi-permeable membrane occurs when the surrounding medium is concentrated. And plasmolysis. Plasmolysis is a process that occurs when water moves out of the cell and the cell shrinks away from the cell wall. When the plasmolysis occurs, plasmolysis is a process that occurs when water moves out of the cell and the cell membrane shrinks away from the cell wall. This occurs when the cell is placed in a hypertonic solution which has more solutes. When we are experimental prove it, we are do that we do some substances and dissolve in a solvents. They have more solutes and they have surrounding increase. An example of this can be absorption of water by sheets and dry wood. In this the movement of water is along the concentration gradient. Next question is, how are water and minerals transported in plants? Water transported in plants. Xylem transport plant water and minerals. Root hair is the hair found in the root of plants. These root hair absorb water and minerals from the soil because they are in direct contact with the water heme between the soil particles. Through the diffusion process, water enters the roots. The xylem is made up of small vessels that connect the root and leaves. Xylem transport water, minerals and nutrition from the soil to all the plant. There are two types of transport tissue in a plant, xylem and phloem. Water and solutes are transported by the xylem from the roots to the leaves, and food is transported from the leaves to the rest of the plant by the phloem. The process by which water evaporates from the leaves and draw more water from the root is called transpiration. The process by which water evaporates from the leaves and draw more water from the roots is called transpiration. Water evaporates from the leaves and draw by the roots. So this process is called transpiration. Mineral nutrition is defined as the naturally acquiring inorganic nutrition found in the soil and food that is essential for the proper functioning of animal and plant body. Minerals are vital elements necessary for the body. Both the plant and animals require minerals essentially. For example, zinc is a necessary for the manufacture of protein and for the cell division. So zinc is a mineral. Nutrients which are required by plants in very small amount are termed as microelements or macroelements. Some of them include boron, copper, manganese, iron, chlorine and molybdenum. Nutrients which are required by plants in larger amount are termed as macronutrients. Some of them include sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, calcium, potassium and magnesium. They all are macronutrients. Nutrients which are required by plants in larger amounts. Larger amounts, some of them include sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, calcium, potassium and magnesium. Let us have a detailed look at the mineral nutrition notes to explore the role macronutrients and micronutrients maintaining human health. So this is the functions of nutrients: balancing function, maintenance of osmotic pressure, influencing the pH of the cell cap. They all are the functions of minerals in plant. So that's the balancing function. Some salts or minerals act against the harmful effect of the other nutrients, those balancing each other. Some salts or minerals act against the harmful effect. They act a harmful effect of other nutrients, those balancing each other. So maintenance of osmotic pressure. The minerals do main roles in maintenance of osmotic pressure. Several mineral cells cap is present in organic and inorganic form to regulate the organic pressure of the cell. The cell cap is several mineral cell cap present in organic and inorganic form to regulate organic pressure of the cell.